I will tell you guys about this stony clover they have. I've never been so tempted by a Dune and Burke, but here we are. Oh no, what do I do? I'm literally in shock. Kayla here with Travel Mom Wars, and we're gonna go back to the Disney store today. You didn't know there are still Disney stores left, and a lot of them are Disney outlets. The ones that are not by the park are Disney outlets. So the one we're gonna go to is in San Ysidro, which is a suburb of San Diego. I go here all the time and I find a lot of amazing stuff. I did go there a couple weeks ago, and I will link that video up here for you if you want to see. I did get Belle's Castle from the Disney Castle collection. So today, this is really wishful thinking, but I am hoping to find Ariel's Castle from the Disney Castle collection. That one is like a unicorn, and it's like, it goes for like $1,000 on eBay. So if I find it, I'm gonna lose my mind. So far, I found 3 Disney castles from the Disney Castle collection at the outlet. On top of them being like super rare and hard to find as it is, they're discounted there. So the last time I found Belle's Castle, I ended up paying like, I think it was like $68 for it. And they're originally $150 each. So that is my big goal. So let's go. Ooh, it's empty in here. Nice. Just the way I like it. There's a crock pot. What? That is so cute. Look at this. $30. Hey, not bad. While I was busy looking at the crock pot, my husband found the unicorn of the Disney Castle collection, Ariel's Castle. I'm literally in shock. We just got here. My husband ran over and he found Ariel's Castle. There's only one. I'm literally in so much shock. How much shock are you in?
Shocked.
I'm literally in so much shock. Oh my god. That's insane. It's on sale, you guys. Oh my god. It's the most sought after one. Oh my god. I'm like literally like, I don't even have words right now.
Yeah.
I have no words. That is the last one they have. I regret to inform you, but it just goes to show this is 2 weeks after I came and got the other one. So just keep checking. Keep checking. You might find one. I will tell you guys about this stony clover they have. So this one is $99 down from $248. They do not have the additional 25% off right now. That starts on Friday. And just a pro tip, everything that ends in 98 will be 25% off on the weekends. So this one would be $79.98 down from $168, but it is not on sale today. I have a Disney monorail. Let's see if this is on sale. This is so cool. Are all the Dune and Burke they have. It looks like this one might be a new one. This is the 50th anniversary Disney Worlds. I can't ever find a price on these, but let's see, this one has one. $184 down from $318. So, oh.
Hi, Kayla?
Yes, this is her.
Hey, it's Kevin again. I just want to let you know we're just starting to finish up. Everything went great so far. And then,
okay, you guys are almost done with the surgery?
yes, we're just starting to close down.
Oh, wow. So she did okay?
Well, yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye-bye. For some context, my mom is having open heart surgery today, and this was a much-needed distraction, but I just got a call from the nurse that she made it through. They're closing her up right now, and she's okay, so I'm a little bit scattered-brained, but continue on. Wow, what a day so far. Yeah.
Good.
Oh, I feel faint. Okay, so they have new emos. Look, they have Marie, $9, and then they also have Sally. I'll have to get this for summer. She loves Sally. Oh my gosh, it's a VW bus. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Is this on sale? Oh, and they also have a train. Okay, let's see if we can find a price on this. Oh, I see it. $69.98 for these two. Cute. Oh, little baby Groot. Oh. Oh my gosh. Too cute. Oh my gosh, Summer would love this backpack. Yeah. Oh my gosh. That's so cute though. And the little hats. Oh, is this a piggy bank? Oh, its butt turns on. Okay, let's see what it does. Must be a nightlight. Oh, it is indeed. A nightlight. Oh, this is cute.
She'll love this backpack.
She loves this, right?
She loves turning red, yeah.
Oh, she'll love this.
Yeah, because she loves backpacks.
Yeah.
If these couldn't have gotten any better, you buy two and they're $10 each for these ornaments that are usually like so expensive. So check this out. You can get like, this one's really cool from the Santa Claus. Let's see. Ooh, look at this one. Ooh, this is heavy. This is neat.
Oh, yeah.
Look at this one, look. May May on the front and on the back. This is so cute. Spirit jerseys, one of my favorite things to get. They have a bunch of them. So these say Disney World, $44. Okay, love that. Windbreaker. These are cool. I remember when these were a big deal. So original price, $119 down to $49.98. Sweet deal. Lots of Haunted Mansion stuff. These are really cool, $22.98. So on the weekends, when anything is $98, on the weekends it's gonna be an extra 25% off. What is this? Oh my God, this is heavy. It's a cutting board. More Starbucks cups. This is the Christmas one. Actually, I really like this one. This is the one, this is my favorite one of all, I think. Is this plastic? This is plastic, but this is really cute. This is Winnie the Pooh bottle. Oh my gosh, look. They have the Christmas ones. Oh my gosh, they're my size. They're $30, Christmas Crocs. Oh no, oh no, oh no, what do I do? Look at these Magic Kingdom ones. These are really cute. Wow, they have a ton of, oh wait, here you go. They have a ton of detail. Let's see how much these are. $34.98. Also my size. What are the chances? All right, let's check out what hats they have. I see some bucket hats down here. Choose your path, Star Wars. Cool. This one is wild. Ooh, hello. What is this one? Oh, another Star Wars one. Cool. And then what is this? Oh, this is interesting. Okay. Oh, if you like that Jasmine collection, this one's cute. So I know these were really big during the Halloween, the Silly Symphonies. So I know people would really love this. This is a bag, $11.98. And the Madame Leota pillow, that's pretty cute too. They have so much on sale over here, but look at this. Oh my gosh, so cute. A little Mary Poppins, $26.98 down from $44.98. Love this. Ooh, Spirit jerseys for kids. Oh, this one, you can match. Oh my gosh, twinning. This one is $44.98. Wow. When I first saw these, I loved them. I wish they didn't just have Bambi because they have some really, like Marie of this is really, really cute. I don't see a price, hang on. I don't see a price. Oh, $15.98 down from $26. Oh my gosh, I need this for my Nemo. Oh, no way. More turning red stuff, $9.98. This is a little nightgown. Oh, so they do have this princess dress on sale. That's cute, so it's Rapunzel. And they have it marked down to $39.98 from $69. So that's a really great price. My goodness, look at this. Oh, no, this is so cute. Is this his size? No, but that's really cute. 0 to 3 months. $12.98 for this one. Look at these. Well, I mean, he's kind of weird looking, but these are pretty cute. Like this. Oh, this Dumbo one's really cute. These are bath towels. $14.98. Lots of like little sets for babies with like a onesie and a hat and some shirt or some shoes. I mean. Oh wow! Look at this Boba Fett. Was it like a backpack, rocket, whatever, 29, don't come at me, $28.98, and then they have the Boba Fett mask as well. So with the Disney designer dolls, they also have Vans this time. So these are cute. They're all the way from Disney World. That's so funny. These are adorable. Oh my gosh, I love these. Oh, these are so cute. What is the price on these, I wonder? $54.98 down from $69. So not like a huge price drop, but pretty good.
Ah,
I've been trying to get my husband to get this shirt, and now it's at the discount, so maybe he'll get it now. Oh, this one's cute too. I like this one. What do you think of this one?
Oh, it's pretty cool.
He doesn't sound convincing, does he? Look at this. For all the dads out there, I know you guys are really into wearing Pizza Planet merch.
Look, 50% off.
Oh,
It's
nice.
$149 to $74.98.
Ooh, love that. Okay, are you liking this one or are you liking the Pizza Planet one better?
Maybe Pizza Planet.
Yeah, let's do the Pizza Planet.
Oh.
Oh, I like that one.
Oh.
That one's nice.
Yeah.
These 50th anniversary ones. These are so cool. They're only $12.98. That's crazy. They light up. They do. Wow, so cool. Oh, this one's so cute. I've never been so tempted by a Dune and Burke, but here we are. Dooney and Burke. This one is really, really cute. Wow, it's got a really long strap. They had a cute little singular Tiana bag on the way out. Cute. This is the collection by Color Me Courtney, $24.98. Cute. Time to see what I got. Obviously, you guys know that I got the Ariel Castle. I will unbox that for you. I got a couple more things too, so I couldn't resist this little Malin Lee turning red backpack for summer. It doesn't have a whole lot of space in there. It's mostly for fun, but what does she need a backpack for anyways? Really just for fun. So I got this for her. So cute. I had never seen these before. I was kind of in a rush because my mom had just gotten out of the hospital, so I didn't really get a whole lot. But since I got something for summer, I had to get something for Koa as well. So I got him this, which is overpriced in my opinion because it's like a Christmas Winnie the Pooh. I paid $14.98 for it, but it is really soft and cute. So hopefully he'll like it. And last but not least, Ariel's Castle from the Disney Castle collection. This is number 8 of 10. It sold out immediately. I could not get my hands on it when they were first coming out. So to find it at a Disney outlet, I'm like wondering, where are these castles coming from? Like, are they finding them in a storage unit somewhere? I don't know, but I'm very happy about it. There was only one, so you can rush down to the Disney outlet. You might actually find some because the week before last when I found Belle's Castle, they had just had one of these. So they get them in periodically. So I would highly recommend like just checking back. Let's open her up. Here it is. The one, the unicorn. I can see why, because this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. It has some really amazing details. So this is Atlantica, which is Ariel and King Triton's kingdom. Let me turn the light so you guys can really see. Oh my gosh. Look at this. So up top, that's like the little area where the mermaids get ready, all the sisters and Ariel. And in here, I'm not really sure what that is. You can tell me in the comments. And down here, oh my gosh, this is amazing. Look at this. Oh, okay, you can see Ariel and all of her sisters down there singing Adrina, Adela. Okay, and then they have the chandelier and everything. So beautiful. And even these little towers light up, which is so pretty. I bet it looks amazing at night. If you guys enjoyed this Disney shopping spree, please be sure to let me know in the comments down below and give this video a like so I know to make more content like this. And if you haven't done so already, please be sure to subscribe. It helps my channel tremendously so I can keep doing amazing shopping sprees and showing you guys all the really cool Disney stuff I find. I'm Kayla Freitas from Travel Mom Mars. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye. Oh, welcome back to my channel. No, we're not doing that. We're not gonna do that. Oh. What's with this show? Oh, I kind of like that. Oh, I'm just so mysterious. Oh, Prince. Oh, you can see my bra.